Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change username on your Instagram. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon. Then inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on edit profile. Now, go ahead and tap on your username and then delete your old username. Now, once you have done that, type in the new username you want and Instagram will check if the name is available or not. So if it's taken, you'll see a red cross. Try adding dots, underscore or number until you find the one that works. Once you're happy, you need to go ahead and tap on done and your new username will instantly update across your post, profile and comments. But keep in mind that if you change your username, your old link will no longer work. Make sure to update anywhere you have shared it. And that's it. That is how you can change your Instagram username under a minute. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.